Despite rampant cases of COVID-19 in much of Europe, the UK is emerging from nearly 4 months in lockdown. Daily infections have been falling steadily since mid-January. So too have deaths. And more than 31 million people have received at least one vaccine dose. But as people look ahead to summer plans, it's unclear if trips abroad will be allowed. As Goomansingh reports, the government is assuring people they won't need a so-called vaccine passport to enjoy their desperately needed freedom.
Spring is in the air and social lives are about to blossom.
On Monday the 12th, I will be going to the pub myself.
British Prime Minister Boris Johnson isn't alone in wanting to celebrate a major step in reopening. When pubs and other non-essential shops in England let people back in for the first time since December, it will be business as usual. No need for a vaccine passport.
On COVID status certification, as we prefer to call it, I think the most important thing to say, there is absolutely no question of people being asked to produce certification or COVID status report when they go to the shops or to the pub garden.
A document proving a person has been vaccinated or has COVID-19 antibodies led to a chorus of opposition. The government says it may be needed in the future to allow people to safely attend events or to travel, but nothing has been finalized. People are being encouraged to take regular tests. The National Health Service is providing free lateral flow kits, which can provide results in about 30 minutes. The UK's chief scientific advisor acknowledges they're not 100%.
A negative doesn't mean you absolutely haven't got it, but a positive that is useful to identify those people who then need to isolate.
It feels really nice just to be able to get out and breathe fresh air.
The joy of being reunited with friends and family is not lost on the Prime Minister. It was a year ago that Johnson himself was fighting for his life in hospital with COVID-19. Another reason for him to celebrate with that pint. Goomansingh, Global News, London.